This is an oil-water separator for equipment. After connecting the air compressor, the air pressure should be adjusted to 8到10 atmospheres for normal use. The separator needs to be refilled with mist-specific oil. Normally, it should be refilled once a month based on your workload. If the oil level is not enough, it needs to be refilled. There is a screw on the oil cup that can be unscrewed, and then there is a small hole. Align it with a needle and add oil inside. This is the requirement for using an oil-water separator.